Hey everyone, welcome to Turn My Coin YouTube channel. We help you make loads of serious money by educating you about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies so you can make informed decisions before investing in cryptos. We all know about Bitcoin, it is the most popular cryptocurrency. For a long time, the word cryptocurrency was considered synonymous with Bitcoin. And then came Ethereum. Just like Bitcoin wallets, in order to store your Ethereum currency, you would require an Ethereum wallet. Accordingly, it was inevitable to talk about the best Ethereum wallets in the market. And here it is. But before we head forward, please like and subscribe to Turn My Coin channel to help us keep the content updated and provide you with more educational videos. Vitalik Buterin invented Ethereum in 2017. As an idea of decentralization alternative of several different centralized operations like real estate contracts, online purchases, and other intermediary services. Though Ethereum is not an absolute alternative to Bitcoin, they both take advantage of blockchain technology. You can buy Ether from various cryptocurrency exchanges. Few of them are Binance, KuCoin, OKX, WazirX, Indian users, Huobi. You can find the link to these in the description below along with a lot of freebies. There are 4 types of Ethereum wallets as hardware Ethereum wallets, mobile Ethereum applications, web applications and desktop applications. High-value investors tend to use hardware wallets to keep their credentials and recovery phrases safe. Best wallets for Ethereum. There are many hot and cold wallets available for Ethereum. Hence, choosing the best one could be a hassle for you. However, the list below can come in handy when you make your purchase. 1. Trezor1. A pioneer company to offer hardware wallets in cryptocurrency exchange. Trezor wallets resemble small calculators with only 2 buttons and a very small OLED screen. It is available in 2 different versions named Trezor1 and Trezor-T. Trezor1 is the more affordable option. Hardware-integrated private keys and 2-step authorization makes Trezor one of the most secure hardware wallets for Ethereum. Pros. 1. Randomly generated seed. Trezor1 lets you comprehend a randomly formed recovery seed when setting up for the first time to ensure the safety of your backups. The seed phrase is only shown once and you need to keep it written safely for the rest of your days with the product. Being a hardware Ethereum wallet, Trezor1 never lets any program, be it compromised or safe, touch your private keys. 2. Simple to use. Trezor-T is the simplest of the hardware wallets out there. Every transaction followed by the first setup is as fluid as it gets. The software counterpart is also equipped with a very welcoming user interface to make your job easier. 3. Trezor1 can support more than 5,000 cryptocurrency tokens, including Ethereum and Bitcoin. 2. Ledger Nano S. Ledger has set itself up for a long fight in the hardware wallet segment. With their proprietary, chip-integrated operating system Bolos and USB-C, Ledger Nano S has long been dominating the hardware wallet market for Ethereum. Pros. 1. Security. Ledger Nano S is the best hardware wallet for Ethereum. Thanks to their exclusive operating system and 2-chip-based system, Ledger has managed to produce the most secure crypto wallet for general enthusiasts and professionals. 2. Third-party apps. Ledger Nano S supports the installation of third-party apps depending on the space and support available for the intended installation. 3. Lightweight. Being a USB-like peripheral, the Nano S looks very attractive and is very lightweight to carry around with you. 4. Price point. Ledger Nano S Plus is priced almost half to Nano X. 3. Ledger Nano X. I have purposely added Ledger Nano X to the list because it is a good option for investors who want to store and stake multiple cryptocurrencies and install multiple apps, DeFi. Ledger Nano X has almost the same features as Ledger Nano S Plus. Except 1. Capacity. Ledger Nano X has a higher capacity compared to a Ledger Nano S. You can install up to 100 applications on a Ledger Nano X and up to 6 on Ledger Nano S. 2. Battery backup. As Ledger Nano X is a Bluetooth-enabled device, it comes with an 8-hour standby mode. Further, it has a USB-C type connector. 4. Exodus, best Ethereum wallet for beginners. Exodus is a free wallet for Ethereum with support to most of the major operating systems including Windows, Mac, and Android. If you are a newbie to cryptocurrency and trying to get a feel for it, Exodus should be your first option. The user interface of the product is very beginner-friendly and is quite slick. Pros. 1. It is free to use. 2. Exodus has a simple yet sophisticated user interface. 3. It has a built-in exchange. 4. Exodus is a cold storage wallet. 5. It has a support for 150 plus cryptocurrency. 6. It has an exceptional customer support. 7. Customizable fees. Customizable fees mean you can choose your transaction fees depending on the speed of the transaction that you might prefer following your budget. 5. MetaMask. MetaMask undoubtedly is my favorite out of the list. If we talk about security, the private keys are stored in the browser/app itself. MetaMask can store ERC20, Ethereum, as it was made on the Ethereum blockchain. You can also configure MetaMask to add other networks like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon Network, Velas Network amongst other default networks. Pros. 1. Free to use. MetaMask is downloadable as a free browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge that enables you to execute Ethereum functions seamlessly. In all logical senses, a Chrome extension is not a match for desktop applications in computation power and convenience, but MetaMask has utilized the limitations to produce a lightweight Ethereum wallet. 2. Open source software. Trezor Wallets and MetaMask both have released their source codes online. Anyone can access and request to modify their codes from anywhere in the community to fix any vulnerabilities they stumble upon. 3. Hierarchical deterministic settings. HD settings let users back their data up with a complicated phrase called recovery seed. 4. Customer support. MetaMask has quite an extensive support documentation and FAQ list. 5. Local key generation. Software wallets generally store your private keys on their servers, which they claim to remove after every transaction. MetaMask has completely excused itself from taking the responsibility and stores your keys on your browser itself. 6. Atomic Wallet, best hot wallet. Atomic Wallet is a highly secured hot wallet for Ethereum. A hot wallet means that it is connected to the internet. Atomic Wallet also has its exchange where you can buy and exchange your Ethereum with fiat currencies. Further, it supports over 500 other coins which you can store and exchange. It is available for download on PCs and mobile, both Android and iOS. An important feature of this wallet is that it can be additionally used for staking Ethereum 2.0. Hope you liked the video. Do drop in your questions and feedback in the comments below. For more educative videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel Turn My Coin. Until next time, keep minting loads of money.